What up, Wagwan? Yes, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Shugs, the queen of recipe. Today, guys, I'll be sharing with you my curry turkey neck recipe. This is gonna be awesome and delicious. So here I have all of my spices and my herbs that I will be using on my turkey neck. So first I'm gonna go in with some garlic pepper. So this is a garlic pepper mix with some herbs, and I'm just gonna go in with about 1 teaspoon of my garlic pepper herbs. And next I am going to go in with some of my chicken seasoning, and I am going to go in with about half tablespoon of my chicken seasoning. And I'm going to go in with about 1 teaspoon of my garlic and onion powder. So it's a mix, garlic powder and onion powder. I'm going to go in with half tablespoon of meat seasoning. So this is a meat seasoning that I'm using, the all-purpose Cool Runnings. You can use any meat seasoning, and that is the chicken seasoning. And I already showed you the garlic pepper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in also with some onion. This is dry onion flakes. If you don't have dry onion, you can use a onion, and we're gonna add some of that fresh onion to this later on. So next I'm going to go in with my masala. And I'm using this masala, and I'm just going to go in with about half tablespoon. And this masala have some herbs in there as well, guys, and that's why I love to use it. A little bit of black pepper, because black pepper was already in the previous seasoning. So just a pinch of black pepper, because remember the garlic pepper already have black pepper. Now I'm going to go in with my turmeric. And I'm going in with about 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Okay, so now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some ground pimento seeds. Also, here I have some homemade marinade and my curry paste. I'll leave a link. So I'm gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of the marinade, and this is spicy. I'll leave a link, as I said, guys, for the marinade and the curry paste. So I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of the curry paste as well. And we're just gonna combine everything together right now. So everything is nicely combined, guys. Here I have some Indian curry that I got from Jamaica. You can use any curry, but we're going to use this curry later on. For now, here I have some hot pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, and some fresh thyme. I'm adding that to our meat. The jerk marinade, it is very spicy, guys, so you might not want to add any more pepper, but because I love pepper, I'm adding some more pepper, or you can just add less pepper. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pop this in our instant pot for 15 minutes, and we're gonna pressure cook this for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna finish this off on our stove top. Okay, so here I have the turkey neck in my instant pot, and I'm using 3 pounds of turkey neck, guys, 3 pounds. So I'm just gonna pressure cook this for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna finish up on the stove. All right, so our turkey neck is nice and pressured. It is already tender. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we want to reduce the gravy. As you can see, the gravy, we're gonna reduce that, and we're gonna finish seasoning our pot. Okay, so we're gonna transfer this now to our pot on the stove and finish it off. Okay, guys, so here I have some oil in my Dutch pot on the stove, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my Indian curry. and I'm just gonna allow this to fry up a little bit. We call it burn the curry in the oil, but you don't actually want your curry to burn, okay, because it will get bitter. I'm also going to add half tablespoon of chopped garlic. So the garlic and the curry I will burn in the oil just for about a minute or two. So here I have some green onions and some bell peppers and 1 onion. I'm going to saute this in the oil. You just want to saute this for about 2 minutes. So now we add our turkey neck to that sauteed vegetable, and we're going to leave this. We're not going to cover this because we remember our turkey neck is already nice and tender. See? Yes, falling off the bone already from that pressure cook. So what we want to achieve here is for the gravy to go down and thickened and get this nice rich flavor. When the gravy reduces halfway, we're gonna top up our pot with a little bit more of our powdered seasoning, okay? All right. Okay guys, so now you see that the water reduces a little bit and the gravy is getting thicker. What we're gonna do, we're gonna top up our pot now with some seasoning. So I have the garlic powder and onion powder, some meat seasoning and some chicken seasoning, and I'm just gonna add this to the pot. I'm adding 1 can of butter bean, and we're just gonna combine this together. All right, there you have it guys. So this just need like 5 more minutes to reduce a little bit more, but that's pretty much it guys. It is ready. It is looking delicious. It smells so good. Our turkey neck is ready guys. Yes, look at that. It is looking absolutely amazing. See how tender that is, falling off the bone. Yes, please give this video a thumbs up if you're new to my channel. Hit that subscription button. Let's go and serve some of this up, okay?